How to post a comment on Instagram. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to post a comment on Instagram, whether you are replying to a friend, dropping feedback, or joining the conversation. Let's get into it. First, open Instagram and scroll through your feed or explore page and tap on the post you want to engage with. Let's say, let's go to explore page. Let's say you want to comment it here, and now below the post you will see the bubble icon. You can see it right here. Now tap on it. The keyboard will pop up. Now type your message, emoji, or tag someone using the @ like this. You can mention someone from here like this and just type in your comment. Now once you type in your comment and once you are done, just tap on this send button right here, and boom, your comment is now on live. You can also like comments, reply to others, or even delete your one if needed. Let me delete it again. Just long press on it and tap on delete, and your comment will be deleted. Just like that, you can post your comment and delete it. You can also like the comments of other people from the comment section right here. Let me show you one. Let's go to this comment section, and you can just like other comments just tapping on this heart icon like this. And that's it. That's how you comment on other posts. And yeah, if this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos and tips like this. Thanks for watching.